Okay, so we're going to do Fiona and the Rainy Day. Fiona and the Rainy Day by Richard Cowdery and Donald Wu. It was a cloudy day at the zoo. It was hot too. Fiona and Mama swam in the pool. It had cool water. This looks like the zoo we go to. The zookeeper came to feed Fiona. The zookeeper came to feed Fiona and Mama lettuce and squash. She
Ooh,
said,
I want squash.
She said, "It will storm soon, Fiona. There will be rain. There will be thunder and lightning." Fiona ate lunch. She liked rain. She liked thunder and lightning. They helped the trees and flowers at the zoo grow. Just then, Flamingo came by Hippo Cove. She had a pink umbrella. "What is that?" asked Fiona. Flamingo said, "This is an umbrella. It is going to rain soon. It will keep us dry when we walk." Fiona and Flamingo saw people with umbrellas too, orange and red and blue.
And red hippos, like
Mhm.
her.
There was an umbrella with a smiling hippo face on it. Two otters came down the path. "Can we stand under your umbrella?" they asked Fiona. They asked Flamingo. "Of course," Flamingo said. Fiona, Flamingo, and Otters watched. The rain started falling hard, so there were puddles everywhere. Boom, 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 rumble. There was a loud boom. Boom, 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 rumble. Flamingo did not like that sound. "What is that big sound?" she asked. "This is thunder," said Fiona, wiggling her ears. "This storm will help the trees and flowers grow. Do not be scared." The animals looked at the flowers. They, they were pink, white, and yellow. Parrots was in the flowers, hiding from the rain. "Hello, Parrot," Fiona called. "Come under the umbrella with us. We are dry." Parrot flew over. "Thank you." Parrot flew over. "Thank you. My feathers were getting all wet from the rain." He shook out his wings. He squawked at the thunder.
Squawk, squawk,
Is that how he sounded?
yeah.
Then there was a bright flash of light. What was that light? Fiona heard a little voice. Tortoise was hiding in his big shell. "Come under the umbrella with us," said Fiona. Now all the animals were under the umbrella. "We've got this," she said, and they snuggled up close.
Well, it's actually all the animals. They forgot about the duck.
Mm-hmm. Fiona, Flamingo, the otters, parrots, and tortoise all watched. Did their zoo friends like the storm? Ducks squawked and played in puddles. Fish jumped and swam and played like they always do. All the monkeys went to hide in the trees. They went into their monkey house to stay dry too. Soon the rain stopped. Flamingo put her umbrella away. She had to go home. Otters and Parrot waved goodbye too. Tortoise slowly went under a bush. And Fiona went to swim with Mama. Fiona liked the storm. She liked the rain and thunder and lightning. And Fiona loved the flowers and trees that grew because of the rain. The end.